So, let's start with the tailgate up. Dusty. Just got here camping, and I'm going to try to see how long it takes to set up our truck bed tent. We'll set a timer, I guess. I'll put on my watch so I can get things going here. Let's say, alarms. There we go. All right. We'll start from and begin. We'll start here. All right. Okay. Now, what I like about the truck tent, while I talk here, is you can leave all your stuff in here. So we have a tonneau cover. You can come closer. Just record what I'm doing. But put my tonneau cover back up on both sides. And look, I'm not even trying to make it realistic. It's speedy. And I've always put this up 2 times, maybe 3 times, and it's always with the levelating behind the camera. We'll see how long it takes me to do by myself and remember it. But this is a pretty real world application. The rainfly, don't need that right now. Need it tonight. I'll for the warm. Alright. The instructions for the tent right here on there if I need it. We'll see. Alright. Take out here. So, where's the front? I believe is this over the front. Front on a tailgate, roughly, and then go to the next end and don't hit the window. Roughly over the edge here. You do get a hang of it after you've done it a couple times. You know roughly what needs to happen. More or less. Now, the order of operations, there is an order that matters here. So that I'm going to look up again. Just down. Yeah, you can follow it. Alright. I'm just going to put stuff on the edge. Alright, here. Strap, drop down. Inside it. The other side. Hold down. Second. Over the outside. There's a little leeway in the order, I think. If you don't tighten everything right away. Alright. Go down below and hook up the other straps. So, there's a place down here. You just gotta find a hook point for your truck. And sounds right together. There's my orange. In the worst possible place. Yeah. Alright. Nice shot. Worst possible place. Check on the outside. Should. Sun's right in my eye. Let's see a thing. One up. Roll to the other side. I think I put it in the same exact spot. I do it. Hup, hup. All right. Now, oh, we got to take off. Put that roughly out. Loosen it up a little bit. Strap, and I believe these straps you gotta alternate more quickly. One here. Loosen it up a little bit. Tighten it later. Tighten it later. Any fun to say? 5 minutes in. Not too bad. So, loosen it up a little bit. Where's the other strap? On the outside. There we go. And there's a little, you can see here, like flat thing that comes down. You want to put that on your bed rail on the inside, if you can. Alright. Here, stretchy material. Get it right there like that. Got it. Corner. Got it. Alright. Let's see how we put the stakes in next. Oh, stakes down. You ready to sleep in the tent, Cecilia? Mm-hmm. You ready? In the truck? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. We're at 6 minutes and 30 seconds, roughly. Don't go away. Alright, so these are all labeled. I believe the orange ones, I'll figure it out. The first ones are crossed. I'm going to set them all up and then go from there. Only like, what, 3? I think. The rainfly doesn't have one. This is the cross one. The bigger one is the cross one. Small one goes with them. Crisscross applesauce. Do I look good on camera?
Did you do the tighten these?
Yeah, not yet.
Oh.
Whoa, I don't know you were setting up this thing. They're all roughly the same length, so I don't know. What's that now? I think the orange ones are the cross beam ones. Yeah. We'll see. Alright, crisscross it up. And onto the bottom part here. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy here. Look at the other one. Oh. Roll around the camera. That is it. Oh, you have a steak too? Oh, thank you. The guy's gonna do all by himself. Can you help me? Go help me. There you go. It's heavy. Right. The cross beam one goes through the hole here, I believe. I'm gonna show the camera there, Kirsten. So it goes underneath this thing here. Then you can slide it through. This is probably the most tricky part of the poles by itself. But doable. Takedown's definitely faster. Trying to get through the hole. Pun tether. Ooh. Push it here. I'll get that in a second. Head up first. Alright. there, hook it in the latch, and hopefully it'll hook up. Put it here, push this side of here, in this little hole, and at this point, I thought I can tighten this things up. So I'll go around, tighten everything a little bit. Not too much, so I don't want it to fall off. I can rehook it later. I think the things are just hooked up a little bit. So these are hooked up, which is, I guess, fine. I want to pull it down. Alright, put this other side in too. Alright, so now let's just see what happens. Push this through. Hopefully it's still hooked up. Seems like it is. Like magic. If I can get it in. Boom. Lovely camera work. Other side in. Right here. And popped out the other side. I can tell. It's okay. It's all good. This little hole. Lovely. Look at this thing. Coming together so fast. No rush. No fuss. No much. Here online it says like estimated install time 30-some minutes. Nope. Get this side in. Right here. Same thing on the other side. Push it through. This is good. Yeah, don't make it too tight yet, because when it's too tight, it's hard to get these things in. So we can clip it, and we'll tighten down the edges. Shoot, I'll even put the rainfly on. You also do so that. Then. Flat in there. Alright, we'll cut this side a little bit. Not too much. Don't want to get the other side. Kind of want to tighten everything evenly. It's not the end of the world. So it's just like here I kind of need to over the edge. Let's pop that. Oh, I have to loosen up a little bit. Oh, okay. And through the edge, that can tighten up. There's no stuff on that one. Look at this. Oh, there's a thing under here. I think I tightened it up. Yeah, that's right. Tighten it up. Alright, got the main part up. Let's go put the rainfly. Look for the epoxy. Epoxy the front makes it easy. Hopefully I can get the whole thing over in one big. Ah! No, not bad. Oh. It was bad. Well, that's part of it. Lined up. And it's great, super easy. Clips right in. Clip points. With full rainfly. Now it's not going to rain tonight, but just trying to keep everything, I guess, warm. It's kind of cool tonight. 40 degrees. Well, I think we're missing a strap here. Is it in the tent? What is gone? That's not. Well, we're missing a clip. This thing. So, yeah, 5 minutes. All right. Well, I'm gonna call it here. 15 minutes, 30 seconds. Probably about 15 minutes when it's all said and done. Set a tent by yourself, not too bad. I am missing a clip, so I'll have to figure something out. A little tie up or something, make sure it doesn't fly away. But I don't know where that went. Anyway, that's how you can set up a truck bed tent with a ridge line by yourself. It's pretty easy. All right, so we're gonna start camping now. So enjoy your camping, guys.